How real is nanotechnology?
I think it is definitively real.
Right now, today.
There are people working on elements of it. A good friend of mine has dropped off the planet to go invest his wealth in building it.
What does it do today?
So today we're building molecular machines versus atomic machines. So now, what is nanotechnology in the first place? Nanotechnology is the ability to assemble things atom by atom. Eric Drexler wrote a book called Engines of Creation, in which he looked at nanotechnology and the ability to the physics and the energetics of being able to build things atom by atom. He writes about an idea called an assembler, which is a machine that's able to grab a silicon atom or an oxygen atom or a nitrogen atom and bond it and assemble things. And a assembler, I could have an assembler in my hand and I can command it to take atoms from my skin and manufacture an assembler and give it to you. And now you have one. And you can have that assembler replicate itself. Right. And these are atomic machines. And now I can drop it in the soil and I can say, produce me an electric Lamborghini. And it can go to the open source and find a design for an electric Lamborghini. And then it will take the atoms out of the soil. It'll need energy. Energy is abundant in the universe. And it'll say, I need a kilogram of titanium or a kilogram of lithium or whatever the case might be. And you'll provide that raw feedstock, and it'll manufacture this for you. We know this, like an oak tree seed is if you would, nanotechnology. You take a seed for an oak tree, you plant it. It just does it very slowly. It has the information set inside of that oak seed, and it grabs atoms from the soil and then energy from the sun. And over time, it builds a mighty oak. It just does it at a very slow time frame. And so the question is, can you build atomic machines that can manufacture things at a much faster time frame? And so there is nothing that has been ever shown that says it's impossible from the laws of physics. And we're building things now at a molecular level, and in some cases an atomic level. And I believe Ray Kurzweil's prediction is in the next 15 years that we'll see these coming into existence, and AI will become probably our most valued tool for being able to produce those atomic assemblers. And then it's between AI and nanotechnology, the universe is reinvented instantly. We're in a post-capitalist society at that point. What has value anymore? Very few things.